What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So Google has revealed the appearance of promising smartphones of the Pixel 7 series, the presentation of which is expected closer to mid-autumn. The official teaser was shown at the Google I/O 2022 event that ended the day before. Also, the network showed prototypes of the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro smartphones. They are different from the previous line. The Pixel 7 series is expected to include at least 2 devices. Most likely it will be the basic model of the same name and an improved version of the Pixel 7 Pro. Both versions have successfully passed certification formalities in Canada. Local regulator REL Canada has revealed the code numbers for the devices and confirmed their official names. According to the listing, the Pixel 7 has model numbers GQML3 and GVU6C. The Pixel 7 Pro, for its part, has model numbers GE2AE and GP4BC. The Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro smartphones are expected in early October. Pre-orders will open on the same day. But even before this moment, images of 2 prototype models appeared on the network. Although these are not retail versions and their software is different from what will be in the finished models, the design can already be appreciated. Also, the source posted a video where he showed a comparison of the appearance of both models. As noted, the new line will receive a telephoto lens with a periscope, but only in the Pixel 7 Pro model. Thus, the older version will be equipped with 3 cameras. She is credited with 12 GB of RAM, while the regular version of the Pixel 7 will receive only 8 GB of RAM. There are also visual differences. The Pixel 7 Pro has polished edges, which is not the case with the regular model. There are also changes in size, but they are minimal. The Pixel 7 Pro is 0.20 mm thinner than the Pixel 6 Pro, but the camera protrusion remains the same at 11.50 mm. The new model is 0.78 mm wider and 1 gram heavier than its predecessor. There is a curved screen, but it is not so pronounced. The phones are expected to feature a 50 megapixel main camera sensor, Samsung GN1, and 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera, Sony IMX38. A 48 megapixel TV camera, Samsung GM1, will also be included in the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Both models have 10.87 megapixel sensor, Samsung 3J1 as a selfie module. The standard Pixel 7 will get a 6.4 inches 90Hz display, while the Pixel 7 Pro will get a 6.7 inches 120Hz OLED display. The latest Google Tensor processor, which will be introduced very soon, will be also included in these 2 smartphones. Responsible for the performance of the devices will probably be Android 13 operating system. Pricing hasn't been revealed yet either, but it's likely to be higher than the Google Pixel 6. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.